Yes, guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am here in She's Park, and I really enjoy the view here. During night time, it's very nice. It's very nice. You can see the fountain, the mountain, and I don't know how many steps I reach there, but I think it's more than that. I imagine that I can do the walking exercise. As you can see on the right side, the nice view, the park here, and there's so many places that you can sit, or like so many families here that have their tents. Huh? You know, it's very affordable also.